Very good afternoon, sir. Firstly, congratulations to you for successfully done Pokhran mission in 1998. As we all know, APJ Abdul Kalam sir was the chief of that mission, and between that mission, American satellites eyes were on India. So at that time, how India fooled America?
No, no, we don't fool anybody. We, say that the satellites are watching is a known thing. Also, see, satellites are of two kinds. Some which is they are known as stationary satellites. So they are very high up. आपले TV signals वगैरे जे येतात ना communication side. So ज्याला आपण जिओ स्टेशनरी सॅटेलाइट. So they move at a very high orbit so that the time taken for them to go around the earth is the same as the time taken by the earth to go around itself. So it appears at the same place. But those satellites for communication and all is okay, but for observation they are far away. So in terms of Earth observation, those satellites are generally much closer. So they come on a particular location periodically as they are orbiting. They take a photograph, then it go around, take some time, then they again come. So it is not as if they are looking at a particular location all the time. So you can figure out what are the satellites, just like you can natural stars and satellites, you know, no? पंचांग बघतो ना आपण, पंचांगात आपल्याला कळतं ना, आज शनी मंगळ युती आहे, आज अमक्या अमक्यांची युती आहे, चंद्राच्या जवळ आज अमका ग्रह आहे. So all these things can be calculated in advance. So also one can figure out when a particular man-made satellite would be above your location. So once you know that, you make sure that the space where you are working, it looks the same as it was when the satellite was at that location previously. So then in between you can do what you would like. So you know only specified windows within which you do your work and make sure that if you see from top, it looks the same and successive occasions. Then there is no way satellites can be taken.
Thank you, sir.
This is only one, there are many more things, but this is as far as the so-called optical band is concerned, optical imaging.